So here we will discuss a brief overview of the anticipated agenda for this briefing. Again, the purpose of this assignment was to select an individual leadership project that could take a distinct leadership and management role and then reflect upon once it was complete. A more in-depth discussion of the project itself will be discussed on the next slide with a brief executive summary of the project and its deliverable, along with some background information to increase some overall understanding and awareness. Next, we'll move into a concise description of my project depicting its original vision, strategy, SMART goals, intended action plan, project history, and the current status of the project itself. Once an understanding has been established, we move into the assessment of the SMART goals that I set for myself, as well as recanting on the vision statement that I developed. What we'll see here is that some of the intended outcomes didn't quite come to fruition exactly how I had envisioned. We'll get into that a little bit later as to why, or my assessment of why, more as we discuss the challenges that were encountered either by barriers and missteps, as well as any other challenges that were encountered and how they were addressed, to include what went well, as it's always important to identify what to change, but also what to maintain moving forward. Finally, we'll conclude with a brief synopsis of where we stand currently on the overall implementation of the product and a way ahead as we move forward with its establishment.